Hello, friends. How are you today? This is Surendra Tipparaju. I'm a senior director with Microsoft, heading data and artificial intelligence group from last couple of years, and it is in fact uh, a wonderful evening for me to really interact with you and share some of my thoughts. The change, the disruption, and challenges are constant in life, and I have been through many of those waves, and they come in various forms. It's in our mindset and how we are embracing the change and convert this disruption into an opportunity is what determines us as an individual. And it is also reflected in the organizations who are made up of such individuals. Thanks to Poonam Vijay ji, whom I met in one of the mentoring sessions with MIT and really inspired and really appreciate her work in supporting the youth. The energy, the creative ideas is really, really great to see how the Mentoring Mondays is one of the true case study on the LinkedIn where the social media can bring a positive change with all the youth who are actually struggling with the confusion, with the despair, and also looking for what is in there for future. In fact, 2020 needs a very special attention. We have witnessed unprecedented situations. Oh man, start with pandemic, natural disasters, political changes, and so many disruptions. In fact, there is no one who is spared. If it is would have been a simple epidemic or a small local event, it would not have been the case of so much change and so much discussion. In this change, many people are displaced from their homes, from the cities, who lost their jobs, some lost their lives, and some are separated from their near and dear ones without any clue when they will meet again. In fact, I've been interacting with many individuals in this space, especially youth and youngsters. The clear sign of despair, the confusion is visible. But at the same time, there is a glimmer of hope that we will be get over this and rise up. In fact, as a testimony of that, in some pockets, I have witnessed a dramatic shift in thinking and a very, very creative ways how they have converted this disruption, this change into an opportunity. Let me give you one real life incident which really inspired me a lot. There is a t-shirt designer company in Chennai, very small company, a startup. Four or five young professionals started that company. They were doing pretty good before the pandemic hit it. There is a small tailor shop here in Hyderabad, very small. He's like an individual tailor supported by family, and he was okay. He was doing good. And there is a healthcare worker, a doctor, and few nurses in a small clinic in a local area near in Hyderabad. These three would have been completely independent, going about their ways in a regular situation. When the pandemic hit, the t-shirt design company have to close down their shop because there were no orders that was coming on, and there was no one coming for new designs of t-shirts. The tailor shop could not open for weeks and months, and he was struggling to feed his family. On the same front, healthcare workers were working beyond their regular hours, supporting the patients of chronic conditions, at the same time handling the people who are being stuck with this pandemic and COVID symptoms. Now, something very interesting happened. This crowd design company, who are basically designing the new t-shirts and new fashions, looking at the market, they thought, why don't they leverage their skill set? They had no idea how to design a medical kit. They call it as PPE kits, personal protection equipment, which is in scarcity for healthcare workers. And they came to know about this. So they crowdsourced how to design a PPE kits, inviting some doctors, some fashion designers, some medical students in their network. And within few days, they got tremendous set of ideas how to design a PPE kit, which is basically suitable for Indian conditions, for local conditions, because we are humid. We cannot, healthcare workers cannot wear a synthetic fiber or a plastic made PPE kits, which are traditionally available in small volumes in the medical shops. It gives tremendous amount of heat is generated when they are wearing for long term. So these people chose a fabric which is much more comfortable, made the PPE kit with dimensions since they cannot go and actually make it locally and do any supply chain on that. They have designed every bit of the PPE kit with the dimensions and started emailing to the local tailors by getting the contacts from the local people. And they have reached out to this tailor shop here in Hyderabad and shared that. And the tailor shop owner took this as an opportunity and started making PPE kits. And this t-shirt design company contacted the healthcare workers to reach out to this local tailor shop, and the local police station people and constables helped to transfer this PPE kits to the healthcare workers. So this way, the T-shirt design company is back in the game, and they are started sharing the various styles and various designs of these PPE kits for various healthcare institutions across the city and across India. And this tailor shop owner is back in business and is able to feed his family. And healthcare workers is getting their protective field to serve their patients confidently. You see here how this situation, instead of getting panicky and then losing the hope, they have converted this through collaboration. And it is this pandemic that has pushed the limits to collaborate in such planes and create a new opportunity. Don't lose the hope. The future is for you to create it. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Talk to you again soon. Thank you.